In this video, you'll learn how to create a daily planner in Notion. By following these instructions, you will be able to set up a structured page that helps you manage your tasks effectively. Begin by navigating to the Notion website. If you are not already signed in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you will see your workspace dashboard. This is where you can manage all your pages and content. To create your planner, locate the option that says New Page on the left sidebar. Click on this option to initiate a new page. A blank canvas will appear and you will be prompted to name your new page. Enter a clear and descriptive title, such as Daily Planner. This title will help you recognize the page easily in the future. After naming the page, you can start designing your planner. Begin by adding a header or introductory text to outline the purpose of your planner. This could include today's date or a motivational quote to set the tone. Next, create a section for your tasks. You can do this by typing tasks, formatting it as a heading. This step establishes organization within your planner. Once you have your tasks section, add specific tasks for the day under this heading. For each task, consider assigning a priority level to help you focus on what is most important. You can use simple labels like high, medium, or low to categorize each task. Keep in mind to keep the list realistic to avoid feeling overwhelmed. This organization allows for a more manageable day. At the end of the day, it is essential to review your planner. Go back to your tasks section and mark any completed tasks. Acknowledge the progress you made throughout the day. For tasks that remain unfinished, consider moving them to the next day's planner. This practice not only helps you stay on track, but also allows you to plan for improvements in your daily routine. Maintaining this consistency is key to effective planning. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.